Hey, I'm Marissa. Let's draw a lava lamp together. The first step we're going to take is to draw the top, and it's just a curve straight across. Now from that curve we're going to go down, down, down and kind of taper out a bit so it's like at an angle. Now we're going to make that same kind of angle on the other side and stop where you ended. Now from that point, we're going to make a curved line that connects those two lines. Looks good. Now take one side and bring it down just like this. Other side, bring it down. There we go. Now we're going to make a line that goes across the middle. Let's draw another line that goes out a bit, and then same thing, out again, and then draw a line that goes across to close it up. Now at the top here, we're going to make one more line that goes up a bit and make it go up again, and then close it off, and that'll be our top. Now let's draw some lava lamp stuff in the middle, all that goo. So take one side and bring it up, 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 around, and then come down a bit and out, just like this. Now we're gonna make some more gooey lava right here, just a bump, and then we'll make one more that comes up from the top. Looks great. So you can leave it like this and color it in, or you can do it like me and draw a face. My lava lamp is gonna have an eye. One's right here, the other right here, and then in that we're just gonna make this kind of oval shape and color it in. And then mine's gonna be kind of screaming like, "Oh, lava!" So make a line and it's just gonna curve around just like this. And then you'll color that part in. Kind of looks like he's screaming a bit. Kind of scared lava lampy person. Okay, now let's color it in. Here's our lava lamp. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me. Please subscribe for brand new drawings, and I will see you next time. Bye!